Hey, now that we're here, I can take about an hour to explain to you how great this program is and how easy it is. But I'm going to try to just do this in like in 5 to 7 minutes or less. Okay. Now, this is the easy, it's a best easy work, and it's a simple business, and it's a simple process, and it's a simple way to get results. Now, best easy work this actually has been updated. So, but I mean, by updated, they keep coming up with from 2017. Now they got 2018, and they keep you up with the new things that they keep coming into the program to even make it easier, better to get better results and make more money. And so I'm sure you've seen a lot of videos that says best easy work review and the best work overview. Well, it's all true. It's not a scam, and a passive. You can become actually a passive income guru just doing this because all you got to do is just share this website, and it comes with your own link customized. So it's a great way to be doing a business that you don't have time for. If you're new, it gets you going real up and quick and going. It has a video right here. They'll give you all the explanation better than I can. It's a great affiliate program that costs you nothing to get in. As you put in, you get out. Now you can put a lot of sweat equity and build up your income, or you can just stay at the $25 range and just get it over and over every time somebody gets in and they're just sharing the website with your link. The best thing to do is to just check it out for yourself, get in with no money, and you start seeing results. I would suggest take that money and put it back in and start building up your business seriously where you can make four, five, $600 every time somebody joins in. I cannot explain to you exactly how the compensation plan is, but I can tell you I have found a video that one of the team members does a great job explaining to you how this compensation plan works. But also the video and the website does too. All I can tell you is that it's easy to work with, easy to do, and it's a no-brainer. You take you sign up for nothing, you get your link with your code or your nickname you want to put in, and you just start sharing it. You can share it here on YouTube. You can share it on Facebook. You can share it with friends, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter. It's endless how we can do nowadays with the internet. It's so much easier to make money. It's a great way. That's why you get a lot of best easy work reviews. You get a lot of people loving this program, and you get. I like it. It takes very little time, and it's all automatic. It's all automatic. They do all the follow-ups for you. They do all the sales for you. All you do is sign up, and that's it right there. You sign up, and the people that sign up underneath you, um, they start making money. You start making money first, and they start making money after you. Um, what can I tell you? Get in, check it out, test the waters. You'll see for yourself that you don't have to be a professional. Look at, I'm just doing this video the best that I can, so I can put the word out. People sign up. They can see for themselves. That's why you get great reviews here. That's why they start realizing that you get your link, you share this website, they get their own, and you get start making money. So underneath here, there's a link. Go click on it. Get better and understanding by people that can explain it better. I wish I could explain it better. I'm kind of excited about it. That's why I'm kind of mumbling and stuttering about this one. Check it out. There's a link there. Click on it. It'll take you to the appropriate links. Take your time, do the review, and I hope you get underneath me because hey, those $25 start adding up, and I keep advancing up the ladder, and you guys can do the same thing. Oh, you know, take it easy.